Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your ad friends on Facebook. If you're having trouble with fixing your ad friends on Facebook, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Go ahead and open your Facebook app and then click on the search bar and look for the person you want to add as your friend on Facebook. Then go ahead and search their profile and then click on it. Now after you click on their profile, you'll see option like add friend. So just simply go ahead and click on add friend, and a friend request will be sent to their phone, and they will decide whether they want to accept your request or decline your request. This is how you can send add friend request on Facebook. I hope this video helped you on how to send a friend request on Facebook. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.